video, I will show you how you can add your Keap CRM contacts to Google Sheets automatically. So what will happen, every time a new contact is created into the Keap CRM, the same contact will be added, will be synced into the spreadsheet, so that whenever you want to work on your customer's data, you do not have to manually export each customer's data and import it here. All your contacts will be synced with the spreadsheet in real time. So if you also want to set this automation for yourself, come with me and I will show you the whole process step by step. To automate this process, I'll have to integrate Keap CRM and our Google spreadsheet, and I'm going to do that with the Pabbly Connect because it is an amazing integration and automation software. And you can see I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free task to test this automation. Now after reaching out to the dashboard, you'll have to click on this blue button that is create workflow and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have provided the name as add Keap CRM customers to Google Sheets. Okay, now simply click on create and then you will notice 2 boxes in front of you. Okay, so these are trigger and action. So here trigger means when this happens and action means do this. Okay, so whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Understand with an example also. Okay, whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say, then automatically send an email via Gmail application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. Okay, according to our use case, whenever any new contact is created into our Infusionsoft CRM, or you can say Keap CRM, then automatically add the same customer's data into our Google Sheets application. So here I'm going to select the Google Sheets application, and this is how you need to always select the applications. I'm repeating this again, in which you are building an automation. Now after selecting the application, I'm going to connect these 2 applications with the Pabbly Connect one by one. Okay, so firstly select the trigger event. So here I want that whenever any new contact is created. Okay, so you can also read the instructions here. Let me show you. If I will click on this button once again, you will be able to read the instructions that this will trigger when a new contact is added to your Infusionsoft account. Okay, so I have selected the same. Now simply click on connect, then click on add new connection, click on connect with Infusionsoft by Keap, and then here you will have to provide the access of your Infusionsoft account. And I'm already an existing user, I'm already logged in, so instead of providing the access, I just need to provide the permission. Okay, so I'm going to do the same. Alright, so it is asking, I have clicked on allow, and here you will see my Infusionsoft account will be connected with the Pabbly Connect and the authorization is also successful. Okay, so once the connection is made, simply click on this blue button that is save and send test request, and then you will have to read the instructions. Okay, so it is saying that once you have clicked over the save and send test request button, do a test submission or record in that application in order to capture the response here. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means creation of a new record, creation of a new contact into our Infusionsoft CRM. Okay, so I will take you first to the Infusionsoft, basically to the Keap CRM dashboard, and then here I'm going to create a new contact in front of you. Okay, and this is just a dummy contact, so I will give the name something like dummy, and as the last name I will provide something like user. Then the work email should be admin@pabblytudes.com. I'm simply providing the random details. Okay, admin@pabblytudes.com. It should be asking for the company name, so how about I write something like Pabbly. It is asking more details like the phone number, the type, so how about I provide again the phone number, the dummy phone number, something like 93333 and 33333. So I think I have provided all the important details which are actually required for creating a new contact into our CRM. Okay, so just in case if you want to add more data, you can do the same. Now I'm going to click on this button save so that I can create a contact here, and once the contact will be created into our Keap CRM, you will see how the details of this contact will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Alright, so Pabbly Connect is still waiting for the response, so I'll have to wait for few more seconds. And here you can see the response is received, and if I will show you the details in this response, we just have the object type, we have the timestamp, we have this ID that is 64, and we have the event key. So well, here I was expecting the contact details, but I do not have that contact details. So how I'm going to capture those details, because I wanted to add those contact details into the spreadsheet. Okay, so firstly I'll have to fetch those details, for which I'll have to click on this plus icon once again, and then I'm going to connect Keap CRM with the Pabbly Connect once again into our action step. Okay, so simply search for the Keap CRM here. Okay, it should be Keap. Okay, so I have selected the same, and then I'm going to reconnect the CRM with the Pabbly Connect. So simply select an action event, and in this action event I will go with which particular action event. So here you can see it is asking to retrieve a contact either via email or via ID. Okay, so here I will be using that ID which I have received into my response. Okay, so that is why I have selected the same action event. Now simply click on connect, and this time I can also go with the existing connections because I have already made the connection with Pabbly Connect once. Okay, so here you can see it is connected. Now it is asking for the contact ID. Well, I don't need to manually copy this ID and paste it here. I'm going to map it, and mapping is very simple inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you just need to click on this particular field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Now select that ID, and this is how the ID will be mapped. And what is the meaning of this mapping? So whatever the details you're going to map here, these details will replace automatically when this automation will work in real time. Okay, I repeat, what will happen when a new contact will be created here, the ID of that contact will be replaced into this specific field automatically. Just in case if I will provide any detail here manually, that detail will remain same. Now I am going to click on this button save and send test request, and you will see the details of that contact which is actually associated with this specific ID will be captured. Alright, so here you can see the response is received, and we have the same email address, we have the updated date as well, and we even have the name of the person, that is dummy was the first name of the person. Here we have the phone number as 93333, and lastly we have the company name, and where is the last name? Alright, here we have the family name. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between our Infusionsoft CRM, or you can say Keap CRM, and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Now once the data is fetched via Pabbly Connect, we are going to add this data into our spreadsheet. So simply search for the application first, that is Google Sheets, and in the action event firstly I'm going to add a new row, and in that specific new row we will update our data. Okay, so just like we have built the connection in between Keap CRM and Pabbly Connect, now I'm going to connect this Google Sheet with the Pabbly Connect, which is this. Okay, so the name of this spreadsheet is all customers data. Okay, come back and simply click on this sign in with Google, and then you will have to provide the access of your Gmail account in which you have created your spreadsheet. Okay, so I'll go with the existing connections because I have already built this connection into my previous workflow. Okay, so I have connected the same, and here you will see how the connection will be made. So I have selected the same, and here you can see the connection is made. Now it is asking to select a spreadsheet. So whatever the spreadsheets I have created into my Gmail account have started visible here, and I'll go with this all customers data, asking for the select sheet. Okay, so I just have a single sheet here, that is sheet 1. I'm sorry for that. So that is sheet 1, so which is already selected, asking for the name, email, number, and the city. Well, these are the same columns which I have added into my spreadsheet. Here you can see I have created 4 columns, that is the name, email, number, and city. This very same column are visible into our Pabbly Connect's dashboard as well, and I am going to provide the details one by one. And as I have told you earlier, we do not need to manually copy this data and paste it here. I am going to map it, and mapping is very simple. Simply click on this particular field and you need to search for that data. Remember, we have provided the name as the dummy. Okay, so I have provided the first name, Asking for the last name as well. So how about I search for the last name firstly. Okay, so here we have the family name, that is yours. Okay, so I just have provided the space, and here we have the dummy user as the full name. Okay, asking for the email. So how about I search for the email address directly with the help of @. Okay, so here we have the email address, that is admin@pabblytuts.com. Lastly, it is asking for the phone number and the city. So here we have the phone number. I remember we have provided this dummy phone number. Okay, and the last thing is the city, which I have provided with the name, that is Pabbly. I'm sorry for that, it should not be city, it should be the company name, because I have captured the company name only. So how about I replace this column name with the company, and then I just need to click on this refresh button, and you will see how the column details will be updated automatically. Okay, so simply click on this refresh to fetch new items option. Okay, and then you will see the magic that the column name will be updated here automatically. Alright, so the things are refreshed, and let me check the column name, and here you can see once I have clicked on that refresh button, the column name is also refreshed. Okay, it is also replaced. How about we now provide the company name? It was Pabbly, something like that only. Alright, so here we have the company name. So I think I have provided all the important details. Now I just need to click on this button, save and send test request, and you will see how the details will be updated into our spreadsheet. And here you can see the data is updated already. Okay, so firstly let me correct the formatting, and here we have the same name, same email address, same phone number, and the same company details. Okay, so this is how now onwards, every time you are going to add a new customer data into your Keap CRM, that customer data, all your customers data will be synced with your spreadsheet automatically, and now you can share this specific spreadsheet with your team members so that they can easily work on this customers data. Just in case if you want to send any kind of follow-up email to their customers, you can simply share this spreadsheet. Now you do not have to share the access of your Keap CRM account. Okay, and in order to automate this process, you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, simply set this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. And just in case if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach this shareable link into my description box. You just need to click on this link, sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to clone, you will be able to access this automation, this workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.